Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the structure of seed. Okay, seed is divided into three main parts. Number one is a seed coat. Number two is a endosperms or cotyledons. Number three is a embryo. Okay, now I am draw here the structure of seed. How the seed is look like. This is the bean seed. Bean seed is look like a kidney shaped. Okay, the outermost layer of the seed coat is protect the seed from external injuries. Okay, second part of the seed is endosperms or cotyledons. Endosperms are present inside the seed coat and these are having a rich amount of food. These endosperms are contain a rich amount of food and this food is used when the seed is germinate. Third one is a embryo. Third part of the seed is embryo. Embryo is present on the cotyledon inside the seed. Okay. And when the seed is germinate, that time this embryo is grow to form a seedling. This is the structure of seed. Now when this dicotyledon seed is split into two equal halves, likewise these are the two cotyledons. Dicotyledon means two cotyledons are present. Two cotyledons are present in all pulses. All pulses are having a dicotyledon plants. And on that cotyledon here small embryo is attached. Okay, this is the structure of cotyledons. Now all pulses are having two cotyledons and all grains are having a single cotyledon. They are not separated equally into two parts or equal into two halves. Okay, because there is a single cotyledon is present in the grains. Which are the grains here? Wheat, rice, maize, bajra. These all are having a single cotyledons. Now this is the structure of seed. Now we see here germination of seed. Seed germination. How the seed is germinate, now we see here. Okay, now this is the seed here. This seed we sown into the soil. Okay, this seed we sown into the soil. This seed is absorb water. Okay, through this hole this seed is absorb water and swell up, and slowly there is a small radical is come out. Small radical is come out. Next step of this seed is here. This is the radical, and here these are the plumule. So radical, and this is the plumule. Okay, now after that when this seed is grown slowly, that time the structure of this is seen likewise here. See here, these radicals are converted into roots and this plumule is converted into shoot, and these two are cotyledons. Okay, these two are cotyledons, and after that here this seed or small baby plant is grown into a seedling. Here these are roots, and here leaves, and this seedling is become a green in color and cotyledons are fall down. When this seedling is become a green color, that time this seedling is able to prepare its own food material. Okay, when this seedling is become a green in color, that time these cotyledons are fall down and this seedling is become able to prepare its own food material. This is the seedling. This baby plant is also known as a seedling. Seedling means this new plant is germinate from the seed.